Hello friends. Today we have a Yandex station Elisa under repair. The problem is that it does not turn on. I checked the power supply. It is working. Let's disassemble and see what is wrong with this station. It seems I found the problem. Friends, I see that the power connector is simply torn out. Most likely it fell and at that time the connector came off. First, you need to pull out the board with this connector. I have unsoldered the connector, and now I need to find the same one. I will leave a link to it under the video. Also, one track has come off and there is some damage around it. I have added a mask to isolate the tracks. It needs to be dried and then solder the torn track. As you can see, the work is done. Now we need to wait for the power connector to arrive. And then we will solder it in its place. That's it, friends. Another device is repaired. I hope the video was useful. Subscribe and see you in the next videos.